Welcome to the Systemic Script, an advanced transactional analysis exploring how we can move beyond individual psychology to decode family, organizational, and political dynamics. This video presents a case study based on Ella McCay. We often think we are treating individuals, but we are actually treating systems. Scripts are intergenerational patterns, stabilized by family relationships, and often weaponized by organizational cultures. Ella's symptom is the illusion of the functional adult. Her core drivers are be perfect, please others, and be strong. This leads to a script of overwork and inevitable emotional burnout. The diagnostic matrix reveals the origins of the script. It details how the family system's positions and ego states contribute to specific script beliefs and systemic functions. These scripts are reinforced in selected adult relationships. For example, her husband's position, I'm not okay/you're okay, replicates the adapted child state, maintaining the dependent system. The stabilizing constellation shows why the script doesn't break. Ella unconsciously selects people who perform systemic functions, balancing the system and preventing structural change. Scaling up to the organizational script, the base systemic position is, you are not okay until you prove otherwise. Cultural drivers like be perfect maintain a systemic dynamic of pressure and fear. Ulterior transactions illustrate the mechanics of manipulation. Overt transactions appear adult to adult, but the psychological reality is parent to child. I am controlling you. The lock and key script system fit shows how Ella's internal drivers, like be perfect, align with the organization's cultural demands, such as conditional acceptance, creating a systemic loop. This reveals the vacuum of the adult. The core issue is that nearly every transaction is parent-child. If a system provides no access to the adult, people only have three options: control, break, or leave. The anomaly, personified by the ant, shows it can be different. Her systemic function is the exit point, demonstrating stability by refusing to engage in the script's ulterior games. Scaling the script further, organizations often become macro reflections of their leaders' unresolved microscripts, leading to political leaders embodying critical parent states. To rethink coaching intervention, we must shift the target from individual behavior to systemic patterns and inherited roles. Change begins when a client realizes this is the script, activating the adult ego state. The system is one. Control, rebellion, adaptation, and awareness are different parts of a single system. The question is whether we have the adult awareness to step outside of the script.